Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide yourself in a Zoom meeting. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on search at the below right corner. And you're going to just type right here Zoom. And you're going to double check if your Zoom app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. Now if you want the meeting automatically begins in the speaker view and you can see your own video. Hover over your video and click the ellipsis button in your video to display the menu, and then choose hide self view. You'll no longer see the video of yourself even though others in the meeting can see the video of you. So but basically, if you want to hide yourself, right here as you can see this is your your name. For example, click the three dots next to your name, hover over to the hide self view, and you're gonna be able to hide yourself from the meeting, but others will be able to see you. Let's write in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.